The Rimac Nevera is a groundbreaking electric hypercar, renowned for its astonishing performance and cutting-edge technology. Boasting 1,914 horsepower, it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.85 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. With a top speed of 258 miles per hour and a 340-mile range, the Nevera blends extreme power with impressive practicality. Its advanced features include an AI-driven driver coach and a sophisticated battery system, solidifying Rimac's reputation as a leader in electric vehicle innovation.